Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Tasbihah binti Muhammad Kamil and my metric number is 1829580. I'm currently a second year student at IAM Gombak, majoring in TESOL and minoring in IT. Before we jump into the contents, let's take a look at the lecture of EDIT 1602. This is Sir Imran Abdul Jabbar. Sir Imran is a very experienced lecturer. From all of his lectures, I can tell that he has a lot of experience regarding multimedia, which makes it perfect for him to teach us this course. On top of that, his lectures mainly feel informal rather than a formal setting, which is a good thing because it makes us feel so much comfortable to interact with him. In all honesty, the first meeting was quite intimidating to me because the other IT lecturers speak so highly of him, hence this just proves even more that he's actually great in what he does. A bonus fact is that he's actually very chill and not tense, which is a relief because somehow this course feels like a sweet escape. Now let's dive right into the contents of EDIT 1602. First, let's take a look at the definition of multimedia. Basically, multimedia is the integration of various forms of media, such as generally, certain hardware and software are necessary to consider depending on how a user decides to design multimedia. Alright, let's explore the first multimedia element that we learned, which is text. So the main function of text is to instruct, explain, and describe messages. The essentials necessary to be considered when communicating through text are next, there are types of fonts. And many more. Different types of fonts reflect different emotions towards the message you are trying to direct. Moving on, the next multimedia element that we learned is graphic. First, let's take a look at graphic formats. There are two types of graphic formats, raster and vector. Raster is formed by a sequence of pixels, while vector is constructed using formulae of proportion. On top of that, let's take a look at 20 design principles. Another multimedia element that we learned is audio. Audio is mainly used to convey messages and reflect emotions. The elements needed to create audio are the final multimedia element that we learned is animation. There are 5 types of animation. Next, let's take a look at the 12 principles of animation. Finally, I would have to say that the impact of EDIT 1602 is that this course has motivated me into exploring more about multimedia because this century is all about technology and multimedia. Therefore, no one can escape from it. Hence, diving deeper into the multimedia world would be a big help for my future self. Plus, this course made me realize my potential once I start to dig more into it, and I would love to pursue a career based on multimedia itself. On the other hand, I've known so much now than what I knew before being in this course, and hopefully, I will get to incorporate some of the multimedia elements into my teaching lessons one day, inshallah. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!